Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Shogun. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning, Ricky. Well, let's start a new week from Monday morning with some nice charts with Bitcoin on weekly. Let me annoy you a little bit with the same phrase. No? What do you say? Good morning. So, let's start with Bitcoin on weekly chart. Well, that's a damn nice close. I posted last night. Yeah. So, I'll say it again here. Repeat after me. When you see Bitcoin just staying exactly below 100k because someone decided that we will not allow to go above, what do you think? That's bullish or is bearish? Morning, Andre. Well, I don't know if it's bullish or it's bearish, but the chart looks really nice. It's not the beginning of the exponential. You can see already above 69, it's a 1, 2, 3 candles. Really strong, nice OBV, nice RSI, nice price action. We are just staying below 100k because we have too many limit orders there. No. For the moment, like I said, I think we'll fight this level. When the big guys will decide to accept above 100k, price will go above that level. And you can see my house level, it's $10,000 higher. What is $10,000 now? Well, it's just a briefly 10%. Not a big deal. Yeah. Morning, Christian. So we fight at this level, we'll fight probably the next one, and we are just tagging the big fat 100k level. Everyone is looking at that level. Some people are making jokes. Well, from my perspective, we already touched that level. In my perspective, you can go on 1 hour chart and look at it. What, $500 makes any difference? Just because doesn't say there 100k is not a valid 100k, I think it is. Will make a big difference for me if I'll sell one Bitcoin at 99,500 or at 100k. Just think about it. Will be a big difference in my wallet? No. Okay. So Bitcoin is strong. I don't want to hear on Crypto Traders Arena, besides a potential hedge on Bitcoin, I don't want to hear the word short. Yeah, we are not chasing, we are not buying or buying the top, but we are not shorting in a strong market like this. You will see altcoins when we'll go there. We have altcoins looking really, really nice. Some of them are looking juicy. You can just go and buy at market. Some of them. So, no short for the moment. If you want to hedge your portfolio and you think 100k is a good level, indeed you can do that. But a hedge is different from thinking short and shorting the market. Yeah? With that short, you are calculating and you are trying to protect your spot bags. If Bitcoin will drop now from 100 to 69, well, that will produce a kind of a big drop in altcoins, no? And you can recover some of that money because you are short on Bitcoin. Your portfolio, let's say, will stay kind of the same, but nothing else. Well, that's Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see Bitcoin on daily. Well, on daily chart, you can see we have a couple of 1, 2, 3 days staying below that level. But people, imagine how many days we stayed below 69. And 69 was the all-time high. It wasn't the 100k level. And just look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 weeks. Again here. And we rejected. Again here. So don't expect here. Well, why is staying there? It's for 100k for fuck's sake. Early Bitcoin adopters or Bitcoin buyers are dreaming about 100k. We are leaving 100k. So just think about it. Indicators. Well, we don't have a confirmed divergence. We talked yesterday. We didn't confirm below. We didn't broke down. We have a confirmed one, smaller one here and a potential here. We need to push a bit higher. Yeah? We need to push a bit higher to remove that divergence. If we'll accept below and we'll confirm, then okay, we have the first big yam on RSI. That's a warning sign. Stay the fuck out. Yeah? You don't long anymore, you stay out, and then if the second one will come, then we have a problem. But for the moment, we are pretty safe here. OBV, well, nothing to complain about. It's just strong. Now, that's Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum. You remember, we talked about multiple times. If we'll retest this level, that's lucky from our part. See 3,200. I think we can push after that consolidation. We can push higher. We can do a sideways consolidation like we're having now without retesting the neckline of the W. Yeah, if the market is strong enough, we can do that and we can push straight up. But luckily, we are long from 3,200 now, or at least most of us, because I said let's buy this consolidation here. That's Ethereum. Indicators, well, nothing bad on them. Bitcoin dominance. Not my favorite amp, but it's still not a naming pattern. At least it's stalling, it's stopping at 60%. It's all over the place, expanding volatility, but it's not going straight up. At least it's going sideways now. So we have a higher high and a lower low here, which means we are kind of trying to find a range here. William Mountain, we can go to 57, 55. Well, that would be really nice for altcoins. Morning, Lulus. But for the moment, let's just watch. You saw what happened when the dominance got from 61 to 60 and then to 60 to 59. You saw what happened with altcoins. Imagine what will happen if we go to 55. Yeah? Just imagine. In the same time, wait for that to happen. Wait level by level. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, you can see the Ethereum versus Bitcoin is trying to do my W here. Will happen today, tomorrow, I don't know. Indicators are looking nice. I'll say it again. Yeah? I'll take this one and I'll put it here. Don't be bearish here. Just don't do it. Here is to think bottom. Total market cap, you can see it strong. Above 3 trillion, we are officially in the exponential move. We are officially bullish. We are officially up only kind of idea. Okay, so we are not allowed to think bearish here. If you want to be the best trader in this environment, morning Hania, you just wait for a small dip, buy the dip, sell higher. Wait for a small dip, buy the dip, sell higher. It's that simple. The best tool you can have is Holy Grail. Why? It's doing exactly that. Finds the strong trend, waits for a retracement, gets you an entry. Trail all the way up until you'll get stopped out and profit. Okay, next boss, and so on. And you are the best trader, the best win rate, the best risk reward. Don't overcomplicate things with complicated TA and waves, and doesn't work in this environment. Best strategy is wait for a dip, buy it, sell higher. I hope everyone understands that. Total 2, kind of similar. We are in the short reload zone here. We didn't accept above all-time high, but I think this is the next move. If Ethereum will catch a bit, okay, we can do that. And Total 3 is looking nicer than usual. You can see it. It's closer than Total 2 to the all-time high. AB equals CD, completed here. Pretty aggressive, you can see straight up. If Bitcoin will fight 100k for 1 or 2 weeks more, after 2 weeks, Total 3 could look totally different. Imagine Bitcoin fighting from 99 to 95, 99 to 95. What will happen with altcoins? You just saw a bit of taste of what could happen last 2 days. This morning, well, portfolio didn't grow with 20% or 25% like yesterday. Well, it's okay in my view. Now, let's take a look at the ES. Daily. Strong. Gap. I don't know if it's on CME is the same gap, but look at this one. People, this is not a usual gap. If this is a CME gap, you have the same on CME and the market is taking this high. If it's a gap and go, well, you'll see how why I'm watching gap and go patterns. Because this is the first gap, and if we'll push higher here, we'll not close this gap. Tomorrow or this week we'll do another gap. That's the second gap, the strongest one, and then you have, at the end, you have the last one. If it's gap and go, well, it's strong. For the moment, it's just a gap. And we are in kind of short reload zone testing the EM here. But looks damn strong. Clear uptrend. Textbook one, you can see. Stepping up, stepping up, stepping up. We just need to take this high and we can push higher. This is the environment you'll hear big traders, all traders saying, show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. That's the environment. Okay? You can see here. Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. They bought here. Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. And they'll do it over and over again. Okay. DXY. Strong. I think we'll reach 110 at some point in time. On higher time frame is still in the same big range. Now, let's look at some altcoins briefly. I'll not go on details on the altcoins. I'll look on my list here, weekly Ws. I'll switch on weekly. Why? It's the best environment to watch weekly charts. You can get the most information from a weekly. If you see a weekly W, then you know you are in the right place at the right time. Well, nobody's saying anything in the chat. I'm speaking by myself. I hope you can hear me, you can see my screen. Okay, so I'll start on weekly. I'll start with IXS. This one, don't chase here. Wait for a retracement, a retest of at least $6. Don't chase here. If you have Holy Grail and you want to play it, okay, but put a limit order here. Fill, similar, okay? You can see up, down, retest of the W, that's your entry. This one, similar stuff, up, down, retest, just go and buy the retest. People, I don't have to follow every post all the charts. You have the weekly chart, you can see the W's by yourself. Maybe I'll miss some of them. Similar here, yeah? Flow, Kava, look at this one, WWW, breakout, look left, you have some resistance. A retest, it's your entry, 40 cents. Magic, similar, just look at this one. If you are not long with us from this W, wait for a retest and buy it. It's the same story everywhere. Mina, look at this one. Looks like wants to go higher, but if we'll come back, you don't know. You'll wait to the limit order. RLC, look at this one. Similar. W's, breakout, retest. You can play an LJ here, it's pretty clear. SNX, similar. We are long, okay, but if you are not long, you should wait for a retest. Here at our entry or candle body highs here, 1.7, 1 point something, yeah? If the market is still pushing higher, either you chase with Holy Grail on 50-minute chart, either you just leave it alone until it will come back. Markets will come back in a 61.8 at least. This one is strong, but similar story. This one, similar story, okay? Retest here, we discussed this one yesterday. Similar here. Buy the retest. Gala, buy the retest. You can see it here. Okay? W's, breakout retest. Usually we get a retest. So don't panic, sell, or do stupid things when you see the market dropping a little bit. It's a buying opportunity. Okay? W's, breakout, retest, similar. Mavia. Yeah? Yesterday we discussed this one. I posted this one. W's, breakout. Well, that's the confirmation, people. Nothing wrong with that. Retesting of 1.5, 1.6. That's your entry. Look at the OBV. Telling a story. Okay? Now, usually I got your request. Now let's look at some of my scans in the morning. Well, let's look at REN, for example. Okay, let's look at REN USDT on weekly chart. Look at this one. Let's remove everything. What do you think? It's a good idea to buy some REN here? I don't know. I'm just saying, you know the drill. Not a textbook clear W here, but if you come back here at 40 cents, well, I'll have to be stupid not to buy some. Okay? That's one of them. Let's take another one. Well, look at this one. Similar story. Huh? Not the nice looking W, but it's a W, weekly W. Okay? A lot of them, they are looking similar. DI, DX. And look at this one. W, breakout, retest, W. Oh, if we'll come back, let's buy some. There are a lot of them, they are looking similar. Yeah? Even Magic, new one. Kind of new. Look at this one. This one is already on our list. Sorry, guys. Let's find another one. Loom. Well, no, this is a shit coin. It's not happening. Well, I think we have it only on Futures on Binance. But doesn't matter. Look at it. Can you see the W? The head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern here? It's not a textbook head and shoulder. Look at this week low. But it's definitely a weekly W. Look at this OBV. You see something on this OBV that you like? I think so. Okay. Let's take another one. LDO. What do you think? Let me clear a little bit this one. What do you think? We have a W here. I think we have something. Let's put the ink back. I don't know what is with this one. Let's not remove our trade. Let's look at it. Pretty clean. Just to 61.8 short when we have a 4.6 if you enter with us here. And the list is full. Let's just say we have a lot of altcoins looking similar. Most of them are looking nice with weekly Ws. Just waiting for you to set a limit order. That's the drill, just waiting for you to set a fucking limit order. Maybe you'll panic sell when you see the retrace. You'll see, well, it's going down. Up to you. I'll buy. I don't want to tell you what to do. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll buy the retest of the weekly Ws. Yeah, you know that's my best investment strategy. Buy that weekly W, sell half on a double, get your free position, and after that I could play whatever I want. Okay? After I'm a free position, I could sell a 10R, 10x, I could sell a 20, I could see the market going 100x, seeing retracing 50% and selling at 50x, panic sell, but it's a fucking free position and I don't care anymore too much. Yeah? Will hurt me if I'll do stupid mistakes, but at least I'm in a free position. My original money, my capital is back in my pocket. So if I'll do stupid mistakes after that, I hope I'll not do, but if I'll do with market money, not with my money. So I'm safe, I'm okay. Yeah? Not a bad thing to do stupid things and miss 100x and take only half with the market's money. No? I think it's a good strategy. So altcoins on weekly are full of weekly W's. You just have to go take the spot market from Binance, or if you are trading on KuCoin, wherever you just go take the list, put the chart on weekly and scan them, and you'll see. I'll repeat this message multiple times. You don't want me to repeat this message here. You want to repeat this message here. You can see it's similar. W on Kava. If someone told you to buy this one here, well, it's your best friend. If someone told you to buy something here, not your best friend anymore, no? Well, I hope to be the ugly friend that is yelling at you, buy now, not at the top. Okay, that's the review, let's call it that way, on higher time frame. Let's go on lower time frame. Yesterday we posted a shark setup, and I said W's, shark setup or SFU. W here in the long reload zone, I said I'll not take any W here below above 78.6. Why? It's just that kind of environment in the weekend. I got my shark setup. Free position here or stop at scratch here. It's up to you. I recommended to put stop at scratch. You got stopped out at scratch. No big deal. It's better to protect. And then we had a W. And then we had another W here. You can see this one here. And we pushed higher. Similar. Market making a double at 78.6 like a shitcoin. Weekend environment. And you can see the result. We are testing the highs. We are in the short reload zone. Imagine here, short reload zone is not for me to short, even if it's working. It's for me to take my profit. So I will not short Bitcoin here, but I'll take my profit off here. And second, remember that I'm on 50-minute chart. So if you are not a day trader, just look at it, say, okay, Paul, nice, but it's not my area. Okay. Here we had, you can see, bullish divergence. You had all the reasons to take the trade. Someone said, why you didn't post it again? Well, I'm not 24 hours and minute by minute here. I showed you the idea. I showed you the long reload zone. I told you what I'm waiting. If you took it, okay. If you didn't took it, well, next boss. If you played smart and you said, well, I'll close 50% at 1-to-1 and I'll leave my stop loss here, well, you are still in the trade. Well, let's Aevo. Okay, I'll take a look. Let's go now because we'll talk Aevo on Binance. Well, there you go. What retest? I don't get it. What retest you want, Lulus? What retest? You are in the W now. If you are an investor, it's a buyable area here. Why? You are waiting for exactly 40 cents? It's up to you. But if you are an investor on weekly chart, we have the W's. If you want to go, you can see the kind of idea we have already in the market. If you want to go on a daily, for example, I could go on daily. A retest here in this area at 40 cents will be more than enough. You hope for lower, well, it's up to you. I'm already long with all I got on Aevo. I bought this area below 40 cents, and I'm ready to go. Now, let's go back on lower time frame. This is a kind of a range here. It's a fight. Let's go on 1 hour chart, and then you can see people with money, they don't allow Bitcoin to go above 100k. Just my 2 cents. Maybe I'm wrong. Market is just playing around. If it was a free market, we will be above 100k, at least to a week and back down. But they said, well, no, it's not allowed to go above. If we'll go above 100K, people will come and we are not ready yet, kind of idea. We want to keep that event for a later date. We have big plans for it. Just my 2 cents. So, you can play the range here, but I don't recommend to play the short. I recommend to play the long. Every time the market is coming back to 96, you just buy again. Yeah. If the market is accepting below, you'll take a stop loss. When you'll hunt a W, you'll hunt a different level. Okay. Now, my list is long on 4-hour chart, but I'll do my best. Okay. Doji, you can see it's close to $1. That's the level. Fed. All over the place in the short reload zone. Chasing here? No. Osmo has a target. Had a target. Exceed that target. It's strong. I'll chase Osmo here in the highs? No. Sorry. I need a retracement, and the retracement should be, you can see where. 50 cents. That's my thinking. Here I have a trade on lower time frame. Similar here. This one is strong. This one could do nice things here. If you see just a breakout here, you can go on Holy Grail, play it with 50-minute chart. I'll not say it again. A, B, C, D, we can push even higher. This is looking really strong here. Go on Holy Grail and try to find an entry with 50-minute chart. 5, I think it's difficult for some people. But 50-minute chart is safe enough. If you get an entry, good to go. Here with 4-hour chart, I don't know, you want to play long at the breakout? Ugly strategy, but in this environment even that could work. Yeah? But be damn sure you have a stop loss here. So play it safe. And if you want to play a breakout or something like this, go the fucking on spot. At least you cannot get liquidated. Take a position. If you'll go higher, okay. If you'll go back down, at least you have a spot bag, and eventually you will push higher. Yeah? If you know you are not able to play futurists, don't do it. Stay on spot. It's safer. It's better. Okay? Yeah, Hanya, I saw it. He wants to trade. Well, I'm glad that he doesn't want to short anymore. He wants to trade. That's a different story. Well, look at this one. Shit happens in trading. Yeah, you can see. Stop us out, motherfucker. Some of us. Some people said, well, I'm on spot. I don't care. Huh? Stop us out and then reach our target and exceed our target. I took the stop loss. Next boss. Nothing I can do about it. I know that shit like this will happen over and over again. And I have to be okay with that if I want to be a trader. Alt, A, B, C, D is too late, people. Don't chase here on this time frame. If you want to chase, I'll say it again and again. Take Holy Grail and play it. Saga. We had a trade, 78.6. We hunted a 2-to-1. We got a 3-to-1. You want to trail? Up to you. I posted the trade. I told you about this setup. I said, Shark here looks really nice because of this W. You took it or you didn't took it is not up to me. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't care if you take a trade or not. I'm not making money either way. You take a trade, you make money or lose money. You don't take a trade, you protect or you don't make money. Okay? So I don't fucking care if you take or not, if you take a trade or not. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not benefiting in any way if you take or you don't take a trade. I just tell you what I do with my own money. I took a trade here. I booked a 2-to-1. I didn't took any profit off, I'll be honest. I'm still in the trade 100%. Why? The environment is too fucking bullish and this could be a weekly W. Or at least a daily W. Okay? And if this one will form, this entry will look like a genius. I'll look the best trader ever. Look at that. Look at my entry. Okay? And it's a position. I decided to keep it. If we go back down and stop me out, well, so be it, next pass. No big deal. It's one trade. Okay, Tao. Can see the W breakout, retest is pushing higher. Well, and for the moment is in a range here, consolidating, but I think Tao will eventually push higher. This one is strong. You had some W's here. No, that means to chase here. Look at this breakout. You can trade this one with Holy Grail if you want. Tia, well, Tia told us bye-bye. You can see on 4-hour chart, nothing we can do. It's breaking out from the range, it's pushing higher. We need to wait for a retracement or to play it on lower time frame. Kind of this environment, no? What do you say? We have something? I think we have. Why do you think I'm long there? Because Holy Grail told me so. Yeah? I'm long again on Tia. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. People, I'll not force you, I'll not do more than give you access to Holy Grail if you're a premium member. The rest is up to you. I could explain, but I'll not. What I can do more. Okay, Ethereum, Bitcoin, no, not the case. Doge, consolidating. AB equals CD in play. You had the chance to buy Doge. Okay, you had the fucking chance to buy. Doge stayed here. I told you, AB equals CD. I hope you are still in that trade. It's taking longer. Well, that's trading. You have to put your hands under your ass and let them fall off. Nothing I can do about it. I cannot say, go up. No. It's up to the market. Solana. Yeah. Retesting this 25 entry. We discuss it. W. We're against an EM. I think Solana could push higher and complete this AB equals D. Of course. Could go to 300. Yeah. You managed to get an entry? Okay. I didn't took it. Pepe. I told you about symmetrical triangles, fake outs and things like that. It's still consolidating against you. Yeah. Ugly. It's this bearish? No. Will consolidate, do a fake out or a retest at 1.5 and then push higher? Probably. I have a setup here? No. Dimension. Well, if you are not long, I posted everywhere the longs on dimension. If you paid attention, you are long. If you didn't pay attention, you are not. But as every time in crypto, let's put it like this, it's nicer. As every time in crypto, next boss in 10 minutes. So wait for a retracement here if you want. On higher time frame, we have weekly W's. So okay, it's okay to hunt. If you are an investor, buy it. If you are a trader on swing trading on 4-hour chart, wait for a retracement. If you want to chase on day trading part, hunt with Holy Grail. Okay, Manta, AB equals CD completed. Don't chase, but yeah, anyway, you cannot chase. It's at $1. Nothing I can do. Ripple. A stupid trader told you to buy Ripple here? I think so. Got stop loss here? Well, so be it. Next boss. We had, on lower time frame, we had the stop loss here. Yeah, let's put 50-minute chart back. There you go. Actually, your stop loss should be stopped out here, not there. If you updated properly the stop loss, you should be somewhere in this area. Well, let's say you're protective when you put it here. So you took 50% at 5R and then you got stopped out in profit. I think it's not a bad deal. Just my 2 cents. And look at the huge opportunity with Holy Grail. Just look at it. Long from 60 cents. Anyway, let's see what we have here. Aevo. 50-minute chart. Well, let's go 4-hour chart. We discuss it. AB equals CD completed. Aggressive. A new trade at 40 cents here on 4-hour chart. No. maybe we get a retracement at 40 cents, at maybe even lower a little bit. Higher time frame looks damn nice, but in the same time, we can retest 40 cents, 35. So don't chase there. Just pay attention. Well, that was nice. A, B, C, D is gone. Sorry. Or had the bot set up here. That was too fast for me. I didn't even blink, and I'm just looking at the chart now like everyone else, and well, was a nice opportunity. Okay. Next boss. Here, bonk. Everyone is bullish. Well, we'll do great things. Well, this pattern is not something I want to see. Stefan, you know what I mean here. Not what I want to see. We need consolidation. We need W's to become bullish again on bonk. Sorry. Goat. Well, we had the same pattern here. Look what happened. Now, if you want to play, you can play with 50-minute chart, Holy Grail, 5. What I have here? I have something. I don't know. And Slurf 4-hour chart. All over the place. We had some listings. I don't like environment like this, too violent and nothing. I could find a trade here if I really want. If I don't have anything else, I could go here and find a trade, but I prefer not to. Well, PG and Lulu's, 90% of the coins, they are looking similar. They have weekly W's. Some of them they pumped already, some of them they didn't pump. Yeah, and Xi is one of them. Okay. Remember when I posted this one? Huh? Remember when I posted this one? Some of you. And I said, well, look at the target for this. Head and shoulder is pointing out at 78.6. Well, we made the double at 88.6. Even better. And now we have the weekly W, breakout and retest. Wait for the retest at 25 cents. If you are not long already. That's Xi, like everything else. TN, SR. Probably similar. Yeah, you can see W's, breakout, wait for the retest, like I said. This one didn't break out yet. This one is new and looks ready to push higher. And the window of risk is not too big, from 30 cents to 47. Nice potential. Well, nice Lulus. I like this one. I like this one so much that I'll say something like that. Let's just put it on my list. Okay. And there we go. I have it. Now I could go on daily and play the smart ass. Find an entry. Well, I think I have to take the weekly. If something will happen here, I'll try to take 40 cents, but weekly chart says go and invest. That's the message on weekly chart. People, let's not do a longer than we should live stream. This is my chart. That's how my chart is looking. Okay. Here I should have Bitcoin. Okay. On 50-minute chart. Usually I'm 50-minute chart. I should hide this one. I'm hunting here and I'm watching the other ones. You can see I'm long on IXS already with Holy Grail. I'm long already on Mavia. And here it's a free spot for me to hunt, to look for new ideas. That's kind of what I see, how I split my chart usually. Yeah? When I'm busy, when I have too many and I want to see them all, I'll split it in 4 and 6 and 8. My screen is allowing me to go to even 8. Will be a busy chart, but I could split it in 8. And I could feel like I'm playing online poker again. Yeah. I don't know if you know, but in the past, some people played online poker on PokerStars, on different platforms. And I was the guy playing at 4, and when I was in a shape, I was playing 8 tables in the same time. That's a nice way to break your brain. You'll take a decision every fucking 10 seconds. In 2 hours, you are dead. You're not able to think anymore. That's a different story. Okay? Old times. Now we are in a different... so for me, trading is kind of easy. I compare it to poker. Okay? So this is a nice one. You can take it if you want. I access. If not, it's up to you. Meme coins. Well, I have a list here. You can see what's pumping. The strongest one is Pussy. And it's $1.3 million. Come on, people. I know people, guys love Pussy. It's something normal to do, but it's pushing higher and higher. I love that. I have a small bag. I sold half on a double multiple times. I bought, I reloaded, but here nothing I can do. I'm just enjoying. If we'll go to 10 million, well, I have to sell more, and that's it. But it's funny. It's just funny. This one, similar, is consolidating. Let's put a higher time frame. Community takeover, things like that. Yeah, you can see community takeover, another community claim. Come on. Anyway, it's consolidating here. If we'll push higher, I have a nice bag here. I'll sell in the top if will be the case, or maybe even higher. Who knows? But here, nothing I can do. And I could go on multiple coins. I don't see the point to speak too much about meme coins here. So let's keep it clean. Today, I chose to share with you the premium subscription. We have a Black Friday deal. If you are not a premium member already, you have 1 year plus 3 months. And if you are already a premium member, you have 1 year plus 6 months. So that's the Black Friday for premium part. Paying $450 for 1 year of premium membership, I think is not cheap. It's kind of free. It's just an idea. Just think about it. You'll pay kind of $1 and something for each day. Come on, people. We are doing a live stream every morning, 5 days a week. We are posting trades day in, day out. It's laughable. I'm trying to keep it that way because I'm not dependent on the fee from Crypto Traders Arena. So I could keep it at $450. I'll keep it too long? No. I'll increase it. It's just too low for 1 year, $450. And now we have a bonus. You have 1 year and 3 months. So it's below $1 a day. Come on. It's not even a coffee. Well, Lulus, to split the trading view chart, I tell you what you need. What you need to split your trading view chart, you need premium. By the way, Black Friday. I forgot to post the link for Black Friday. You can see here, because I have the best subscription, I could split my chart wherever I want. If you are on free, well, you're not allowed to do too many things with this. And you have to have a kind of big screen. You cannot play it with a laptop and split the screen in 8. With a laptop, you can split the screen in 2 or 3 or 4 max. Yeah. By the way, Black Friday 25, you should go on TradingView and pay the 1 year subscription. Doesn't matter what subscription you choose. Okay? If you want to use, you are new and you want to use our code, just DM me, or I'll post it on, if I'll not forget, I'll post it on general chat. Not a big fan of referrals, you know that. But we have a nice referral for us. So if you invite a friend, you can get 10% from what he's buying, or you can offer 10% off for him. And if you want to do that, you are kind of an influencer, and let's call it influencer. And you want to do that consistently, share the Crypto Traders Arena on your social, well, then we can do even better. I could make it 10% for you and 5% for the guy who's using your code. Okay, so if you want to do that, DM me and I'll put you in the ambassador list. Yeah. Okay, let's keep it like that. Tau is consolidating here, so pay attention. Breakout and retest maybe. It's more than enough 40 minutes. See you guys in the New York session or tomorrow with the same live stream if you are not on Crypto Traders Arena Premium. See you guys next time. Bye bye.